Rights Day Summit held on the 10th of December 2025 at Colombo, Sri Lanka. The United Nations International Human Rights Day Summit held on the 10th of December was organized by Human Rights Council of Sri Lanka in collaboration with Dr. Shalin Das, Brand Ambassador for Youth for Human Rights International, Washington, D.C., and the Guardians of Human Rights Florida Foundation. In this function, celebrated the 77th anniversary of the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948-2025. Dr. Shalin Das had the honor of welcoming Mr. Nagathihalli Ramesh as the guest of honor. A respected social and political activist, agriculturist, well-known poet, thinker, filmmaker, Karnataka, India. Mr. Ramesh is someone Das holds in great esteem for his contribution to society and intellectual leadership. On this occasion, guest of honor to Sri Nagathihalli Ramesh felicitated by Dr. Deshamanya Deshabandhu Captain Gayan, Chairman of Human Rights Council of Sri Lanka. Van Velimpitiye, Sumanadhamma Theru, Patron Human Rights Council Sri Lanka. Present Sri Lankan government ministers and officials. Former President and present government ministers are also participated in this function. Shri Nagathihalli Ramesh, internationally famous well-known poet, thinker, short filmmaker, social and political activist, agriculturist Karnataka, India, delivered heart-touching enlightenment speech on this occasion. United Nations and the delegates from all over the world very much appreciated Nagathihalli Ramesh's a speech beautiful with wonderful souls effulgence. A speech about beautiful souls with effulgence celebrates inner radiance, kindness, and spiritual light, focusing on how genuine compassion, resilience, and purpose create a lasting glow that uplifts others, making the world brighter through authentic action and a heart full of peace, not just physical looks. You can structure it around qualities like inner strength, radiating love, empathy, and leaving a trail of light, using powerful words like brilliance, radiance, and divine to describe this inner glow that transcends the mundane. Key themes for your speech: inner light and true beauty. True beauty isn't superficial, it's the effulgence of a soul shining through kindness, empathy, and integrity. Radiating compassion. Beautiful souls choose gentleness in a harsh world, offering warmth and holding space for others. Friends, we often chase fleeting beauty, but today, let's speak of something eternal, the effulgence of a truly beautiful soul. When we nurture our inner garden with grace, with empathy, with purpose, we too become effulgent, leaving footprints of light and painting the world with vibrant, divine colors. Powerful words to use: effulgence, brilliant radiance, shining forth; luster, splendor, dazzling light, inner glow; radiance, shine, emitting extraordinary light; compassion, empathy, purest strength, understanding hearts; divine, spiritual, connected to something greater. By weaving these themes and words together, you can craft a powerful message about the profound, radiant beauty found in wonderful, effulgent souls. His caution about farmers opened eyes. Ramesh's humble speech about everyone in this earth. Love, affection, care, concern, and compassion very important in our life. His quotes very much impacted the audience. Kudona, Katona, Balona, Belagona, Nagathihalli Ramesh, Sang Milenge, Sang Rachenge, Sang Jienge, Sang Khilenge, Nagathihalli Ramesh. Let's come together, let's build together, let's live together, let's shine together.
Let's live together, let's shine together, let's come together, let's build together, let's live together, let's shine together.
Let's come together, let's build together, let's live together, let's shine together.
Let's come together. Let's build together. Let's
deliver your speech. Yes.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜೈ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. At this time, we have to think about earth. See, today, what a tragical thing happened in this earth. We have to give value, we have to give respect. We have to give value, we have to respect. Today, everything is saleable. Earth is saleable, water is saleable, fire is also saleable, everything is saleable. So that's why we have to understand the theory, philosophical, what enlightenment by Buddha given to us. We have to think about, we have to preserve our nature. Whatever it may be, one thing we have to, I'm not provoke concern, humanity and compassion. It is the whole message to the world. When Velattaji is a guru, monk. Though I came from India as a Hindu, I love water. We have seen the tears of fish underwater. Nature and Buddha seen the tears of fish underwater. What I'm saying today, my humble request to Guruji is there, and I love. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm saying, we have to adapt speaking about theory. First of all, I'm not happy because lot of innocent people victimized because of cyclone disorder. We are all, first of all, support my humble request to so many innocent